If you are contemplating lending or borrowing a car from a friend or someone in your family, you should consider buying a one-day car insurance policy, a relatively new and easy way to insure the vehicle to protect the driver from liability in case of an accident. Even if you think between the two of you, your individual insurance policies should have you covered, you might want to check into that to make sure there are less claims and animosity to deal with should something go wrong. If you think this might be an option for you, and you're wondering just how to go about getting this type of insurance, just read on and I am going to tell you how to do this the smart and easy way. Know the facts. What you are going to need to know to start requesting quote and considering options are the answers to all the questions you will be asked. You need to know the names, birth dates and address of all parties involved, the license number, make, model, age and VIN of the vehicle, everyone's driver's license number and possibly the primary insurance carrier's information. Go online for quotes. Start your search with one-day car insurance and you will find a complete list of companies that offer this type of insurance. Make a list of the insurance companies that you would like to get quotes from and then just start filling out the quote request forms with the information you gathered. Sit back and wait for the quotes to appear. Widen your search. You can widen your search for a list of insurance companies by visiting a website such as mytemporaryinsurance.com where you find links leading you to many of the top insurance companies. Here you see a variety of different companies you may not have considered before. Quotes are free, so get as many as you want. Call your local agent. Don't forget to call your own agent or one of the more popular independent agents in your area. Your insurance agent will appreciate your continued business and you may be rewarded with a preferred rate that the online companies can't beat, but you won't know you try. Pick your provider. Once you have gathered all your quotes, it is time to compare content and price and make a decision, choosing which policy for your one-day car insurance you want to buy. Be careful just making your decision based on the cost alone. That can backfire on you if things go bad on the road. Make sure that the policy you have chosen has high enough limits on liability and damages, and don't forget about something covering medical costs in case someone gets hurt. A good rule of thumb is get at least a little more than you think you'd need. You may think this is a lot of work for a one-day thing, but having an accident while uninsured sucks. Pay for it. Now that you have made your decision, and picked the policy for you, simply use your debit or credit card to pay for the policy online. You can most certainly purchase this from a local agent for check or cash, and sometimes if you are buying one-day car insurance from your own insurance agent they will just add it onto your monthly bill and you just pay it along with your regular premium payment. Don't forget the proof. Don't log off without getting a policy and/or confirmation and proof of insurance. That information will probably come to you via email so you can just print out an insurance card immediately. Make copies, one for your wallet and one for the glove box and one for the other party. That way there is no frantic searching for who's got the card while a cop stands waiting. There is no good time for an accident, but there is no worse time for one if you don't have insurance and you aren't driving your own car. Just because you are only going a short distance or for a day or two, don't think it can happen. They used to say that most accidents happen within 25 miles of home. A one-day car insurance can be purchased for a number or reason. The most frequent reasons are travel, moving and test driving cars you are either buying or selling. If you are going across state lines to a neighboring state or further, it is good to be able to have a policy that takes into consideration the laws and requirements change from state to state, so you can just relax and enjoy a safe trip. That's where the flexibility of one-day car insurance really works. When can you go for the cheapest insurance available? When the cheapest price is the smartest price. Those are times when you need just a minimal amount of extra coverage and buying all the options is overkill. Prime examples are when you're driving someone else's car that is insured, but not specifically for you, when you are headed into another state where the legal requirements for minimum insurance coverage is higher than the policy you have in your home state, When you have purchased a different car and you want to take couple of days making a decision on the long-term coverage you want to buy, but you can't wait to drive the car. When you are shopping for the cheapest one-day car insurance, just like shopping around for the more extensive policies, the competing companies will be making their offers according to the information you provide them. Look around a little and you can probably find some websites that take your information and send it out to multiple companies. Full disclosure and honesty. Having the option to be able to purchase one-day car insurance is great, because it is a win-win situation all around. If you are thinking about cutting corners and just going through the motions because someone else is watching, be very careful. You must be honest and upfront about what it is you are planning to do with the unfamiliar vehicle that you are taking responsibility for when you are filling out applications or answering the company's questions on your applications. Omitting information or just plain lying to an insurance representative to contract their services on a policy that is meant to protect you from harm does not turn out well should anything go wrong. You have to let them know if other people might be driving or if you are traveling out of the state where laws could be different. That way you will satisfy the legal issues and protect yourself. No one plans to go out and have an accident, but to chance it and risk everything is just wrong, especially when there is a solution to this only a few questions and clicks away. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.